Hi everyone! Are you bored at home? Do you want to taste some delicious yet easy to make dessert? Try to follow our steps. Today we will share a simple 2-ingredient recipe with you. It is an Oreo cake. For ingredients, you only need to prepare some Oreos and milk. For tools, prepare a metal spoon or a fork. Also, you need to have a microwave-friendly container. It can be mug or even a bowl. First, add 5 Oreos into the container. Next, use the metal fork to mash them. Then, add 5 tablespoons of milk into the container. Remember, the ratio of Oreo and tablespoons of milk is 1:1. If you add 3 Oreo, then add 3 tablespoons of milk. Mix the Oreo and milk well. Feel free to add other ingredients like chocolate chips, coffee powder, and Nutella to make the cake tastier. After having the mixture, put the container into the microwave oven. Adjust microwave power to middle height. Finally, microwave is for 1 minute and the cake is ready. When you take it out, be careful, as the container is hot. See, the cake is just moist and fluffy. Delicious!
Wow, this recipe is easy and fun. Complete this small worksheet about the recipe. Go to English Teachers Station on 6th, 7th, and 8th floor during today's recess. Show them your little worksheet in exchange for some sweets. Have a nice and sweet day. See ya!